Welcome. 14 essential skills you need to learn to make money online. In this age of information technology, you must upgrade or improve your skills and learn new skills to increase your competitiveness. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, teaches the importance of investing in oneself. He said, "The most important investment you can make is in yourself." Whether you're a freelancer searching for gigs, an employee seeking a side hustle, or an entrepreneur growing an online business, developing new skills can help you make more money online. Critical thinking, creativity, communication, problem solving, and digital literacy are considered important skills in this information and communication technology-driven world. Here are some skills that are in demand these days that you can start learning if you want to make more money online or become successful in your online business. 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is an in-demand skill these days. Most businesses today are looking for a digital marketer or an SEO analyst to boost their online presence, to see to it that their websites are ranking visibly on the first page of a search engine, and to help them target more customers. Digital marketing refers to advertising delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. This term covered a wide range of marketing activities such as paid search or pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, and email marketing. 2. Graphic designing. The demand for graphic designers is increasing. Most businesses hire freelance graphic designers to design logos, brochures, online ads, or product packages. You can start learning graphic design on your own or through online courses using available design software. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way of redirecting customers to an e-commerce site from your website, which allows you to get a commission whenever these customers purchase a product or sign up for a service. You don't need a business or a marketing degree to do affiliate marketing. You can simply learn this skill on your own. You can generate more money online by being an affiliate marketer. This is the easiest and most cost-effective way to make money online. You don't have to create your own product. You won't even have to deal with product packaging, product delivery, or provide customer support. No risk is involved. No operational and inventory costs either. 4. Photo editing. There is an increase in the demand for individuals with skills in photo editing. If you want to learn photo editing, you can find plenty of courses, guides, or video tutorials on how to edit photos using available editing software. 5. Video editing. This skill is important especially if you are creating your own YouTube channel. The demand for YouTube video editors is tremendously increasing over the past years. You can learn video editing at home by enrolling in a course online. You will also need a computer or a laptop and video editing software to get started. 6. IT, programming or coding. As technology continues to advance, there are many job opportunities out there for programmers in a wide variety of industries. If you want to develop this skill, you need a strong foundation in computer language, programming, or coding. 7. Copywriting. Copywriting is becoming an in-demand and lucrative skill these days because more and more businesses are looking for copywriters to promote their products and services on social media, websites, e-commerce stores, and different platforms. 8. Content writing. In this day and age, content writing is a great way to make money online. Publishers and businesses are looking for the services of freelance content writers to write for their websites, social media, or blogs. If you have a knack for writing, begin writing articles and pitch your writings to different blogs or publications online. 9. Social media marketing. The demand for social media managers is huge because most businesses these days need the help of individuals who can manage their social media accounts. 10. Web designing. Web designing or web development is becoming a more valuable skill these days because most businesses want to create their websites and build their presence online. While web designing usually requires a lot of training, many online resources can help you learn the basics. 11. Transcription, transcribing. This is a skill that anyone can learn to generate income today. Most clients don't even ask for a college degree in doing transcription tasks. You can be a freelance transcriber or one who does a side hustle online by transcribing audio and video files into text files. 12. Accounting, bookkeeping. This is always an in-demand skill because companies and businesses need help recording, analyzing, and reporting their business transactions and preparing their tax reports. However, most businesses require a degree or certification before you can be hired as a bookkeeper or accountant. If you want to learn bookkeeping or accounting, you should enroll in an online degree program. 13. Virtual administrative skills. The demand for virtual assistants is rising. If you are interested in working as a virtual assistant, you must have strong organizational skills, communication, time management, project management, and social media marketing skills. 14. Entrepreneurial skills. Entrepreneurial skills encompass a wide range of skill sets such as business startup skills, management, finance, as well as problem solving, strategic planning, marketing, branding, selling, and negotiation skills. Where and how to learn those skills? There are lots of resources you can find online for you to be able to learn those essential skills mentioned here. You can read articles and blogs, watch YouTube tutorials, listen to podcasts, join a webinar, or take up online courses to develop these skills. Start learning these new skills now to advance your career, make money online, or build your business. The more you learn, the more you find bigger earning opportunities. It takes skills to make money online. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.